He thought he got a taxi.
Oh no, we got one.
When one door closes, another one opens. Thank you. Oh, I feel like I'm going on Cash Cab. We about to answer these questions. Or jail, you know, whatever. Same thing. Oh gosh. Okay, we're gonna head to breakfast, and then what are we doing? We're doing our version of Jersey Shore
Laundry.
Gym and tan laundry, but instead of gym, we're doing like spa tan laundry.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget about breakfast.
And breakfast.
We're having family breakfast.
Pablitos.
Pablitos. We want to check it out. Okay, so we just finished lunch. No, actually it was breakfast at Pablitos in front of, I don't know how to pronounce the beach, but it was really, really nice. Now we're gonna go do our laundry.
So here, they don't have trash cans outside. Well, it is outside, but this is where you put your trash.
Can they see you? You can't see anything. Oh yeah, okay.
I don't know how to open it, but basically you put your trash in here.
Oh, that's cool. So trash goes directly underground.
And then I think they come get it.
And she's assuming that they come get it. We don't know
Well,
about
I saw someone come get something.
It's hot as fuck. I think it's like 90 degrees right now. And Moni got me walking. She knows I don't like walking. Not that I'm lazy. Okay, I am lazy. But like, I don't want to walk if I don't have to, you know?
I would say like para bajar la comida, but you just ate it, so.
Yeah, and I paid like $5 for some like, it was nachos, but it was really like stale tortilla chips and some olives.
We have to be going straight for a long ass time.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me check this GPS. Right, so me and Moni be trying to get, we're trying, but relatively trying, not really. But we one day hope to aspire to have like a nice booty. And we came to this park and we're trying out these different, I think that they're workout equipment, not too sure. And we're trying to see what this really works out. Okay. Moni's convinced it's the booty, but I'm not too sure.
I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Hold up, honey. ¿Quién dejó toda su comida aquí?
Voy a ir a poner esto acá. Okay, workout station number 2. Okay, I guess it's not, that's not it. This?
Oh, if you've been following along, you know that I got my ass beat yesterday. So, this might be a little bit rougher.
You want to hold your bag?
Let's try it. Ooh, yes.
What do you feel?
I feel it in my abs and I feel it down there.
Dang, we get a whole ass workout for the free. You don't even need to sign up for a membership. Just come to this park. I mean, first you gotta get turkey, but then come to this park and work out for the free.
Oh, I really do feel this one.
Maybe it's like a circuit thing. I think that's what the purpose is. Okay, I don't wanna put your bag on the ground. I feel bad putting stuff on the ground.
Or there's a chair right behind me.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm already.
Okay, we're on to workout. What's number 3? I recorded late, so she has like maybe like 50 reps in. She's gonna have abs by the time we're done doing laundry.
Oh, get ready for the twist one. Okay, that one.
She be her own personal trainer. This is the type of energy I need. Okay. Ahora,
I gotta get this though.
which one should I do? What is this? What am I doing? Oh shit! Oh, this is just like a thing.
Oh, that's for abs.
Well, how am I supposed to?
Like, make sure that you're feeling it in your abs.
Oh, am I like? I don't get it. Can I like move side to side?
Like, your arms hang off of it.
Like this?
I think so. You want me to get a boomerang? I think that's it. I think that's.
That's like on my arms. I mean, like, those things where you have to like lift yourself up, like.
Oh yeah, lift yourself up with your arms.
But I feel like if it was that, it would be closer. Like, oh shit. Okay. Ready? Let's see how far I can go. That makes me like feel like I was constipated or something.
Do that one.
What's this one?
Guys, we were supposed to go to the laundromat, but we ended up coming
What
here.
is this even a thing? I don't understand.
Oh shit, maybe I should come this way.
Okay. Oh, I think this is like the leg press. This brings out your booty. I feel that. Okay. Okay, see the turkey? Girl, you gonna feel like, it feels like someone's like tightening your butt. Jeez.
Oh, let me do that. I need to get tight. Oh shit, I'm sweating balls. Not balls, balls.
But we wanted to work out. You can feel it in your butt. You feel it?
Do you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? I'm trying to feel it on my legs.
I felt it in my butt.
Am I supposed to go side to side?
No, go. Like, bend your legs as much as you can. You feel it now? No?
I feel it more on my, like, right here.
Maybe it's just working out the places that you need. Maybe you don't need a booty.
I came here for a booty, I'm gonna get it.
Okay, what else?
I think that's it, because I'm sweating.
Alright, well that wraps up our, I don't even know.
Here goes the arms.
Oh, wait, okay, never mind. Oh, wait, we've done just about all of them.
Oh, this is the lift.
Oh yeah, that's where you lift your legs. Oh shit, I just stepped in something.
How the fuck?
You just have to lift your legs up.
Ah! We can't do that.
Alright? Do it from the side, son. I want to see that. Just so you know, we are wearing face masks. They're just not on at this moment because there's someone here. Okay. Ready? Oh! Okay, how many should I do?
3. Because you're a tray.
This is like tall.
Yes!
The leg part doesn't hurt. This is what hurts.
Now do that.
Being on this thing. This arm thing.
Let's come work out tomorrow.
I'm okay. Maybe at night, but not during the heat. Like, what? I feel like this is too short for me.
What is this for?
That's, I think that the thing you're on right now is for like when you want to break.
Oh.
Not honestly, but.
Alright, well, I'm sweating. Fuck.
Let me see. This is what Moni was on. I really don't understand. So there's like this little wheel thing. Don't even judge me for my legs because I don't be shaving, but. Oh, I think this is abs too. Like, I think if you hold both hands, you go. Okay, maybe not. Okay, you're right.
I feel like I'm gonna need a shower.
But then we're doing laundry. Okay. Please. Okay, this is take 2. So how you're supposed to open the trash can. She wanted to throw all her clothes away, she could. But we're not gonna do that. Gotta keep these streets clean. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we still have like 10 minutes before we get to this laundry place. And let's hope we don't melt. Okay, so I think that we made it to this laundry place. Not sure. It's like in this building. You know, must be taking places where you're not really sure where you're going. So we're not really sure where we're going. But,
The name is not on
okay. It's like one of those you have to press to get buzzed up. I think at this point I just say like fuck the laundry, just buy new clothes, and I don't know. It's too hot for all this. Getting lost and not knowing where we're going.
How the hell do you open this shit?
I'm gonna take it off because it's kind of gross. Oh. Ew, it's literally wet. Like I squished the cushion and it's nasty wet. Okay. So the verdict is that this place doesn't exist. We just walked 20 minutes from where we went to go eat breakfast all the way over here. As you can see, what's the place called? Google, I shouted you out in this other video, but Google, you be playing us. So it said B&B, as you can see, none of these say B&B laundry. I think this is where people live. We asked some guy to help us out and he was like, not here, not open. So part 2 of us trying to find where to do our laundry. I guess we could just listen to Monica's brother and go where he's at, but it's 20 minutes in the walk, yeah, back to where we were. So I'll let you know what happens. So I recently started watching, what's that show with Zac Efron? Down to Earth. And if you haven't watched it, close your ears, close your eyes. But if you have already, you already know this. Episode 2, he talks about water around the world and how you can like go water tasting, which I love water. Water is like one of the things that I love to drink all day, every day. And you can go water tasting and they have like different levels. I don't know what the unit's called. But turkey water, let me put you on this turkey water. You see this? They got all the minerals. I'm not saying that take your like health life advice from Zac Efron, but they were talking about how like we shouldn't drink tap water because it's bad for us. Like all like the pipes are old and stuff, and even then purified water like isn't good for you either. It just means that it's been boiled, and the water you're drinking should have minerals and stuff that's good for you because your body is made up of like a good amount of water. And anyways, you want to be putting good stuff in your body. So anyways, my whole point is drink turkey water. It's got all the minerals in there. It's got, I don't know how to read a lot of these because they're in a different language, but I don't think aluminum is one, but that's what it looks like. It has sodium. Honestly, that's the only one I know, but I'm just assuming these are all good for us because it tastes really good. So don't be afraid to drink turkey water. That's my PSA. If you've been watching this video, you know that we stopped to do a little workout before we went to the laundromat that we thought was open and existed. So Money's brother sent us a place of a different laundry service. We're like, okay, we know that one's real and exists, so let's go to that one. It's literally right next to where we were when we were working out. The park where we were working out, it's like over that area. Oh no, we literally passed the salon.
No, that is not the park we were working out.
Okay, never mind. No, but that salon behind me that we just passed, it's by.
All the salons are called Kofer.
What are they called?
Koffers.
Anyways, the whole point is that we literally passed the place that we were going to go get our laundry done at, and let's see how much longer. Oh, it's literally, I keep saying literally a lot, but it's after this next street. That's the park that we were at, no?
I don't know.
I just stay being last.
That's like yellow. The park that we were at green.
I'm trying to say.
No.
No, I'm on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cuando compre una casa me voy a comprar unas cosas así so I can put leaves all around my entrance too.
So you can put water on here? Leaves?
Plants.
But Moni's gonna try and have a house like that. With leaves.
And I'm gonna get me a turkey husband so that
She's gonna get her take your husband. You heard her. I'm telling her. I said one of us needs to be on 90 Day Fiance. Either me, her, or her brother. But right now, it seems like she's in the lead. There's people. It's right here. It's right here. People are sliding into her DMs. All right, we're here, guys. We're here. We finally made it. It's called Inisi Dry Clean. So gym done, laundry's about to be done. Honestly, we've been tanning this whole time. So
I really don't know
we'll catch you on part 3. And we're gonna do our laundry. This includes wash, fold, dry. One load of laundry is 35 lira, which is like $2 US. It's pretty nice. Don't have to touch it. Don't have to wash it, don't have to dry it. They will do it all for you.
3 p.m.
Today.
I have to pick it up by 3 p.m.
Can it be after 3 p.m.? Can it be later than 3? Okay. Okay. Good?
¿Y la tuya?
I'm about to figure that out. Okay. So you're charging me how much for yours?
70.
Do you take card? Do we pay now or after? Do we pay right now? You give me money now
Okay.
or later?
Yes. No.
Now? Okay.
Do you take cards?
Yeah.
Card.
You said now, later. Where's my backpack? You can always take something out. You want me to pay on card for me? You can just face me? Sure. Okay. We'll do it together. Hers and mine together.
One packet, değil mi abi? One packet.
Okay, it's fine.
Tamam.
Here, I'll just pay. Oh, don't use your cash if you don't have to. Because I don't know how much 70 lira is. Or just tell me. Okay, just tell me what to fix it. It'd be like 75 divided by. One dollar is like I'm sorting off. 1 lira is 14 cents. So do 14 cents. 1.4 times 70.
It's not $2 a time, I think.
I'd be lying to you.
Okay. That's perfect.
Oh, that's for both?
Anlamıyorum ki. I don't understand.
Sorry. This? This for both of you? For this and this?
Ya hiç toplu o
Oh,
kadar.
okay. Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you. This is mine, right?
Yeah, one's okay. Alright, so we just finished dropping off our clothes at the laundry. Now we're at the mall. They safely checked us in right there. They checked our temperature. We went through security. Make sure like we're not trying to, have the arms on us. We're trying to go to the Kurşunlu Waterfall. But since we have no clothes because we dropped off our laundry, we're going to go try and find some bathing suits. And hopefully something that we can wear to jump into the waterfalls. So we'll keep you updated on what it is that we buy. I just lost Monica. Not too sure where she went, but oh, she's over there on the other side. So we'll see. Okay, so last time I went shopping for a bathing suit, I paid myself thinking I'm thick, but I'm really not. And I got a size 40. So this is a size 36. in Turkey. I'm not sure what other countries. So my mom always tells me to do the neck check. So you put it around your neck. If it fits, like, you know, snug, and it's the right size. So I think that this is good. I also did the arm check, but I think my arms are way too long. They're coming at me the same because I have a really long arm. So let's hope this works. Oh, is there?
Get one more thing. Get one more thing.
Like another thing?
You need 4. You need even.
4 pieces,
Oh.
extra.
Oh, okay. Should I get what should I get? Should I get a towel or should I get like a bag? I like this, but I feel like it looks like kind of old. Like
It looks like you're going to Mexico.
sorry. What do you think? Like, do you think we should just get something I can throw over, or like? Is this a beer?
Get the one piece. Get the red one piece.
Oh, true. But you think 38 is gonna fit me? I don't think they had a 36. Or should I get this one that says offline too?
Or you can get some chanclas. Or you can get a cachucha.
Oh yeah, I did want that. Should I get this?
Let's see, put it on.
What do you think? No?
No.
She's like, no, don't get it. Okay, I trust your opinion. Should I get a bag?
Let's see.
I kind of want like a sleep gown.
Why don't you get a light color?
Or you think the 38 will fit me?
Try it on. Maybe they won't say anything.
It's a corset too. Okay, so let's see if this is the waist right here. No, that's not waist. Where's your waist at? Like right here? I think maybe a little bit too big. But I could get like a different color.
Don't do anything from this side. This is the granny side.
So I asked her if she has it in the back or is that like annoying? Yeah, are these all the sizes you have? Is this all? Yeah, that's all. Like, I don't see any other cool ones. Or I could get one of those. What do you think about that?
Is that the only other one you have? Ask her if she thinks 38 will fit you.
Do you think 38 will fit me? Yes. You think this will fit? Oh, okay. Because it's a corset. Okay, then I'll get this one. So these clothes don't start.
No.
No, that's okay. We're actually 5 hours later. So what we've done today, we did breakfast, we did gym kind of, and then we canned the whole time because the sun's sleepy. And then we finally dropped off our laundry. Now we're gonna go to the waterfalls. Y esto ya está manchado, so...
Here, put this in the bag.
You can stop recording now if you want. Spot to the waterfalls. I think we have to wait in line to get in. Yes, we do. I'm so excited! Hopefully we can swim or something because it's so hot here. Just to say accept cash because I'm running low on my lira. I don't know what this means. I'm assuming this is what 9 for if you don't live here, 4.5 if you do. I really don't know. I should have learned some Turkish, but I didn't. Do you take card? Only cash. How much? Oh, I think it is too. I think we guessed right. I got one people. Yeah. How much do you have? 3? Yeah. How much are you asking for? You got it or you need more? I got it. Walk in, you go through a gate over there, you scan your ticket, and then there's like a little house on the prairie type looking shit. Ponies, more ponies, camels. Poor camels, I feel bad for the camels. No one wants to be in the hot sun all day, being forced to give people rides. Okay, so we made it to the waterfall, or actually we made it to the national park. Now we actually have to find out where this waterfall is. Oh, good, they have it in English, because you don't speak Turkish like me. I'm assuming it's this way. At least the trees give it like a nice breeze. I should probably stop. Okay, I'm at the waterfall and we just took some photos in front of the waterfall. And over there. Now I'm gonna go and try and walk through all of this. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna get through because there's like tons of people, but let's do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm getting all kinds of wet. Not the good kind. Well, I guess it's not that bad actually. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, this is cold. It's so cold. I don't know how I'm gonna get over there, but we'll figure it out. Oh my gosh. Ah, my foot stuck again. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so wet. But honestly, it's not even bad because Oh, just kidding. I thought I could get over there, but I don't think I can. Did I play myself? I think I did. I think I just got played by myself. So I don't think I can get over there. Let's see, how far can I go? Okay, so that's the jump that I would have to make from this rock to that rock to make it all the way back. I don't know how deep this is. I don't know, man. I don't know if that's something that I can do. It'd be one thing if I could just like walk through, but I don't think I can do that. Hasta aquí llego. Alright, so we got done visiting the waterfall. So if you've been keeping up with our storyline, we went to go do laundry and now it's about time to go pick it up. But Monica's brother also went and did laundry, so we asked him if he could pick it up for us. However, we do not speak Turkish and we did not do our due diligence to learn. So we asked the security guy to talk on the phone with the dry cleaning guy to ask him when was the latest that we could pick it up and if someone else could go pick it up for us. But it didn't really work. So now we're off to try and find a taxi to get to the beach and call it a day. But I wish I would have recorded that because it was hilarious.
Well, not the first time that I've had the hot sauce here, but the first time that I feel like it's about to hit. So like, let's put it on the strip. That's okay, but mouth is watering right now. Shit, it's hot.
But is it good?
It's so good. I feel like I need to tell them, like, let me show you how to make shrimp cocktail Mexican style. Para que le pongan esto. Bro,
She tried to tell the chefs how to cook.
I would come here every day.
But is it because the shrimp is good or is it mainly just the sauce?
The shrimp is good and the sauce is good. But the shrimp in the sauce, it wouldn't be the same.
So what would you rate it?
Now like that,
Out of
a
5
10.
stars. Oh, okay.
If I could go to the kitchen and see if they have some clamato, dump this in the clamato, ask them if they have some more pickles or cucumbers or something, put some tomatoes, cebolla, cilantro, not mint, cilantro. Ugh, my mouth is watering. That's how you know it was good.
How many other beaches did you guys go to besides this one?
My name is Muti.
Muti?
Yes, sir.
Is that a popular name in Turkey?
I am from Turkey. I'm Antalya. Here. I am here. Understand?
Mm-hmm. You're from here.
Do you know Serik?
Mm-mm.
Belek.
Mm-mm. I just know English and Spanish.
Little Spanish. Como esta?
Caliente.
Yes.
How old are you?
22. 19?
How old do you think I am?
Yes, sir.
No, but how old do you think? How old do I look? Like
Okay.
How old do you think I am?
Mhm.
If you had to guess.
Okay. Senin vize yok mu? Ben bilmiyorum. I am from Yozgat.
He's from where? Where are you from?
Türk'üm.
You're from Turkey?
Yes.
How old do you think I look?
Ne diyor lan? Bana bak da söyle diyor oğlum.
You can be honest.
Bana bak diyor. Bak.
I don't think he knows it.
Ekrana bak öyle söyle. Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
What?
America,
America. Ah, okay.
California.
My friend Chris.
Your friend what?
Black skin.
You like to practice speaking?
No, best friend.
Uh-huh.
He's American.
Oh, okay.
Name Chris.
What's his last name? I might know him.
My speak English little.
That's okay.
Okay.
You have Google Translate?
Okay, translate. Çeviriden bakalım ya. My friend Chris,
He's from America?
America, Texas.
Oh, she's from Texas. She was born in Texas.
Texas. Arayayım mı bir?
What's the best beach in Antalya?
Dur bakayım çalıyor. Chris lan benim zenci arkadaş. Açarsa.
Why are you all over there?
Açmıyor ya. Hadi Chris amcık aç şunu.
You know, if they don't answer and you FaceTime them, that means they're not your real friend.
I don't have a girlfriend. Understand?
Is that good or bad?
Sahip değilim.
You want girlfriend?
No, I don't have girlfriend.
Yeah, but do you want a girlfriend?
Yes.
You do? Oh, okay. You want to be on 90 Day Fiancé?
I think you have very beautiful body.
Thank you.
Understand?
But it'd be the first time I was told that.
You have very beautiful smile.
Thank you.
Do you want me?
I don't know you to want you.
Okay, do you want to drink or eat?
Right now?
Yes.
I just ate.
Hmm?
I just ate.
I just sadece.
Yeah, I just ate. We have to go work.
Work. Anladım. Sen çevir ben söyleyeceğim.
Do you always
Always, yes.
talk to girls walking on the beach?
No. Hayır. Ondan gidelim. Never. Only beautiful girl. I want talk. Understand?
You only talk to girls that you think are attractive,
Yes.
but always on the beach.
Beach. Evet.
So this is where you pick up girls.
Katılıyorum. I agree.
How many girls have you picked up on the beach? How many girls say
Okay.
they want
I
you
understand.
on the beach?
Anladım. I understand. But I don't know.
You don't know because too many?
Yes, I don't know.
It's been
Ne diyor? İngilizce biliyor musun diyor oğlum. Ben Türkçesi yazıyorum. Sen İngilizce çevir söyle. Spanish'e çevir. Spanish'e çevir.
how do you say
Do you want to swim?
huh?
Do you want to swim?
See what? You?
Swimming. Yes.
Do I like the sea?
Togator.
To the water?
Yes.
We cannot today, but maybe tomorrow?
Yarın.
No, wait, tomorrow's my birthday. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I can't tomorrow.
Happy birthday.
But Tuesday,
Okay.
do you have WhatsApp?
Okay, WhatsApp.
I can give you my WhatsApp.
Do you... Nasıl diyorsun ya? Sen ne iş yapıyorsun?
Huh?
Do you job? Student?
Am I a student?
Do you work? Do you work?
I work. I'm not a student.
Ha.
Are you a student? You
I'm
look
working.
very young.
My country. For country working. Understand?
Oh, you're here working for your country.
Huh?
You're working?
Yes, working. Computer technique.
Oh, okay. You're like a boo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Is that what you studied in school? You went to school for that? What?
Yeah, I don't understand.
Oh, university?
University.
Uh-huh.
Yes, Akdeniz. Finish.
Oh, that's what you
Akdeniz Üniversitesi finish.
that's what you studied in university?
Yes, we
Okay.
here Akdeniz Üniversity.
Okay.
Finish. Su. Ne demek lan? Water.
Okay.
Two years before finish.
Oh, okay.
Understand?
I finished 4 years ago.
Okay.
What was I gonna say? How long you live here?
How long?
Live here.
Live here. Yes.
How long?
Yes.
No, but
How long?
yeah.
Yani,
How much time?
how
you live
much
here?
time? Evet.
You live in Antalya?
Yes. You. I am
For
here sitting. Yani. Understand? Yani.
you're here working?
Yes, me here Antalya working.
Oh, okay. You like Antalya?
Hospital. Work.
Oh, you work at hospital?
Yes.
So if I get hurt, can you make sure that I don't have to pay for my medical bills? Where are you going?
Oğlum gel parka gidelim ya Muti.
What language do you speak?
Sen bilmiyor, bu bilmiyor. Bu
Az nasıl deniyordu?
little.
But what language?
Yok.
You speak Turkish?
Aynen.
Yeah?
Yes. Turkish, only Turkish.
How do you say thank you again? Teşekkür ederim.
Ha, teşekkür
Evet.
ederim. Yes.
Thank you.
Teşekkür ederim.
Rica ederim. You are welcome.
That's all I know.
Su al. Su mu içeceksin? Su. Muti ben su alacağım lan.
Tamam. Şuradan bakalım.
Are we on the right way? Where are you coming from? What were you doing earlier?
Ya bak ben sana bir şey söyleyeyim mi?
You want me to get out Google Translate? It's hot. Well, we'll see where this goes. Say,
See
what
you.
was your name again? Your name?
Muti.
Muti?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Excellent. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so what had happened was, what's the last thing we did? We went to the waterfall. We finally made it back. Went to the beach. We went to this seafood place. And Monica said it was going to be an hour and 45 minutes to walk home from the point we were at the beach. I was like, not doing that. Because I walk, but not that kind of walk. That's like a whole nother marathon. Like, nobody needs to be doing a marathon on vacation. Anyways, she convinced me. We're what? How many minutes in? Like 30 minutes in?
We have 30 minutes left.
We only have 30 minutes left. It was an hour and 45 minutes.
Well, let's say like an hour and 15 minutes.
So an hour and 15 has passed. And I'm actually really proud of myself because I've continued to walk this far. She was proud of me too. But now I have 5% left and she has 7% left. And we don't know how to get home. So let's hope we make it. I don't know if this is recording. Okay, ready?